How to change the cover on your Cadillac Key Fob. I am Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I wanted to change the cover on my Escalade Key Fob, so I went on SavageCadillac, and you can see that top row, they're priced at $40 and $30. Not sure why it's different because these covers are all the same. So I purchased the one for the CT4 and it fit my Escalade Key Fob great. So here's a quick unboxing. This is how it came in the bubble wrap. And then there's a nice steel case. Comes with a screwdriver tool and a little side piece, and of course the back cover. Quality is really good with this. Paint looks nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull out the key from my fob. And once you insert it to the opening in the bottom, it'll pop open that back case and you can remove it. It's really simple. Just a quick comparison that the dimensions were the same, everything looked good. So for the side piece, I had to pry up on it with the supplied screwdriver and it popped right up. Didn't break anything, so that was nice. Just a quick comparison. Size is the same, so again, that's good. And this just simply snaps onto the side. So just press it on, it'll click, and it's snapped on. For the back, you're going to slide it in at the top first and then push it down towards the bottom. I'm zooming in here because I didn't want to break it. You can see the red part of it that's inside where the key goes. That's where I pressed it with the screwdriver. Just gently pressed it on the red part, and that allowed it to snap down for me without doing any damage. So now it's on, everything fits good, it looks good. I'm going to go ahead and put the key back in. And that's pretty much it. Really simple installation. Fitment is really nice. Looks good. You can always take this off, put the other one back on if you want to. And again, this was advertised for the CT4 key fob, but like GM and other manufacturers, all these key fobs are the same size. Some of them may have 4 buttons, some have 5, some have 6, but the actual body of the key fob is the same. So even though it said it was for a CT4, it fit the Escalade key fob just fine. It's just a couple comparison shots. And there you can see it, the fitment is pretty good. No complaints from me. And now let's try it out. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.